primitive Max in his natural habitat. Being oblivious.
Oh, hey, didn't see that. I'm Max from the Bee Clan here with my friend Liam, and today we're going to be being a little bit of adventurous and going around these little woods area to see what we can find. I know by the time that you've seen this, saw the thumbnail, you saw the cars. The cars are amazing. So I know this isn't a very long video, and I know we didn't do very much, so that's why we're making a part 2. And next time we're gonna have the twins in the video. So basically, I just wanted to say, let's get back into this video. And don't forget, comment any ideas, like this video, and subscribe. And don't forget, join the clan. Alright, so today I'm with my friend Liam, and we're gonna be a little bit adventurous, going and walking around our little river, see what's gonna happen. Let's go. So, basically, this was an old farm, and then it turned into a neighborhood, right? But this river part, I've never been down. Isn't that beautiful? It's a beautiful river. But we found some cars that I've never seen before. Like, come here. My friend Liam over here told me about this. How old do you think these cars are, Liam?
Back when the farm was primitive.
What did you say what cars they were?
It was a Hudson Hornet. There's one called like a Air Glide or something. That one's the Hudson Hornet.
That is crazy. That's awesome.
There's a steering wheel, as you can see. Turn.
Wait, let me see.
Yep.
So the rest of the car is under? Where did the seats go?
Don't go in there unless you want to be like tits, man.
Yeah, what the heck?
Yeah, this is like.
Look, there are bricks down. I bet there was a house down.
Oh yeah, there's a washing machine up there. Follow me. This path is a little steep. And I'm gonna have to walk.
Look, what is this?
That. Grab these roots and stuff.
All right.
Grab onto that. Okay. This is a washing machine. It is buried. Like deeply buried.
And then what's next to it?
This is part of the cars. Yeah.
You see the seat? These cars are really old. That's awesome.
You see that those springy stuff down there?
Yeah.
Those used to be under the seat.
Yeah, all this stuff is amazing.
Just look at the landscape too.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Fisherman kind of cheap over there, but who cares?
I love this place. And then there's a little loop over there that the fisherman created. And then there's a little ball down there.
Oh, there's this cool Donkey Kong thing I made.
Here, let's keep going.
They're like two little logs, and I roll them down a hill. And they go insanely fast. Aren't those your sisters?
No, these ones are mine.
Really?
Yeah.
You're not wearing hand-me-downs.
No,
So,
I'm taller than my sister.
oh, God. Wait, who's older, you or your sister?
My sister? She's in 9th grade.
So are you the youngest?
Yeah.
Oh my God. You're like 6 feet.
Best looking though. All right, let's keep going.
Don't count on it.
So those cars are amazing. And then there's something down here. What do you think that is, Liam?
Oh no.
Here's the hood of one of the cars.
I think.
That's amazing. But look, one piece isn't rotted.
Oh yeah, that chrome part.
There's a cone right there.
Oh yeah, we found that in the pond.
Yeah?
Yep.
So look, this is
Oh God.
awesome. Fisherman made. There's a pumpkin back here.
Oh yeah, those are mine. I just throw them down here.
and then keep going. The animals would eat that, so can't get mad at them.
They're bear traps.
Here's a stump that I'm guessing one of the fishermen made.
Old man Corcoran.
Ooh. An old cartridge of Winton.
It was cigarettes. Put them
Winston
down.
cigarettes. And then this is all charred. This is a stump of a tree. I'm guessing the fisherman.
Do one of your heroic poses. It's not heroic. That's whimsical, I think.
Yo, look over there. Is that what you? Isn't that the original farm?
I'm gonna zoom in.
Over there, I think that's the original farm.
I think it's like. I don't know.
Yeah. Like refinished. But Liam's Donkey Kong.
Usually when I start a bear, it goes way faster. You know what happened the other day? It was going down, and it went so high off like one of these lumps, it hit the top of that tree.
Wow, that's awesome.
It almost hit like down in the head.
All right, come down here. Let's go. Keep going. Let's go back there. All right. So I'm guessing that's gonna conclude our video today because that was actually really cool. I'm really happy that we saw those, weren't you?
We need more adventure, dude.
We do need more adventure. I agree. That's why we're gonna make a part 2. So
When?
next time we'll have the twins with us. It was nice to see you guys. Make sure to like, subscribe,
We can't see you.
comment any videos, and please just have some fun. Join the clan. See you later.
Let's watch them.
Yeah, just above me, something like a dream state. You call it a clean break. Do you feel the vibes, baby? Do you feel the vibes?